In this video we look at the new Traxxas radio-controlled drift car, and it has a special button. Oh, it's Christmas every day! This is the new Mustang radio-controlled drift car from Traxxas. Body come off. Ah, clip there, clip there. Man, check it out. So when Traxxas first announced this, I saw quite a lot of negativity online, with people complaining, saying it's not going to be very good. However, I don't believe them. Here's why. This is a Traxxas TRX4. And when this got announced, sceptical people also said the same thing. It's not going to be very good. And they were completely wrong. It turned out to be the best crawler ever made. And many years on, it still is. Same as the X-Max. Sceptical people said, oh no, it's just going to be a giant pig and brake all the time. And that also turned out to be the best RC car ever made. So I'm going to go ahead and guess that this is going to be absolutely epic. But I'm just a beginner when it comes to drifting, so my opinion probably doesn't really mean that much. So we're going to have a quick play with it now, and then we're going to take it to my local radio-controlled drifting club, let the professionals have a go, and see what they think. By the way, you can win this drift car or a brand spanking new one. I'm going to put a link down below in the description box to find out how. So anyway, it's rear wheel drive. It's got these beautiful deep dish wheels. They're actually made out of this plastic material to make them slide easier. You can see the disc brake and the calipers in there. They're not real, obviously. They're just there for show. We've got a plastic chassis. Let's have a look inside. We've got double wishbone suspension, front and rear, coilover shocks. It's got high steering angle. And the skeptics were saying it hasn't. Let's have a look. I don't know, guys, that looks like a lot to me. Let's have a look what the infraction's got. That's about 45 degrees. That's nearly 180. You can't get much more than that, surely. What are they on about? Over here, I've got an MST drift car, also ready to run, and kind of known in the community to be one of the best you can buy. For ready to run, anyway. At a first glance, the MST is maybe a fraction smaller. It's definitely got smaller wheels. Inside, it definitely looks a lot more professional. This one here's got a brushless motor. There's the gyro, speed controller under there, and it's a dedicated drifting chassis. This here, I might be wrong, but it looks as if almost it used to be a four-wheel drive, and they've modified it. But anyway, that's the steering angle of that one. And then the MST, well, yeah, alright, it does go a little bit more, but not massively more. All that doesn't really matter. What matters is how big the smile is on your face when you use it. Just plug it in, give it some action, and see if it's any good. And we're also going to let some professionals have a go, let them compare and see what they think. So it says in the book it wants a 2S LiPo. The only 2S I've got doesn't have the Traxxas connector, so bye-bye Traxxas warranty. So here I'm cutting off the Traxxas connector and fitting a Dean's. Now Dean's are not very good for high power stuff, but for this, perfect. That's the battery in the car. Next up, controller. So we've got steering, throttle, brakes, and a secret button. We'll see what that does later. Also, on the back of it, look, it's got a special module. And it says on here what that special module does. And apparently it's got all different modes for different types of drifting. So we'll have a play with that a bit later as well. Plug him in. Here we've got the on button. So if you look here, look, the steering angle isn't that much. But if we look at the special phone app, you can adjust it for more. Actually, just playing with this, if you turn this knob all the way around, now look, full travel and power. That's it, body on. Right, let's go rip. Oh, no reverse. What? Why has it got no reverse? Must be able to program that, hopefully. Try it on polished floor. Oh. Not barely moves on there. Uh-oh, staircase of doom. Oh, no, oh no. No grip on here at all. But in a minute we're going to take it out to a proper drift club with proper drifting carpet. So if we look in the bag, it comes with another set of wheels. I'm not sure what the difference is. Maybe they're different compound. But anyway, I want to try the bigger wheels on the MST later and see what happens. Next location. Boom, here we are on location. Isle of Man Drifting Club. Taking for a rip. Oh, we've got professionals here. What have you got? Shows your professional cars, boy.
MST.
What you boys got? You got any special equipment? Go on, give us a guided tour. What is it all?
MST, upgraded motor, servo, mostly metal and carbon fibre.
That's it.
So you're professional?
No.
Oh, Rob's a professional.
Hello, Rob.
Oh, he's a professional phone person. Let's have a look at this. Oh, we get back to him. He's on the phone. All right, next victim. What we got here?
Brushless motor on a quick run ESC. It's just a standard MST chassis and stuff.
Let's have a look at your one then, Rob.
This is the new Team Associated.
Yeah.
It's nice. I've got.
Oh, it is nice, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I've got some
Carbon
special-
fibre. Let's have a look at your steering lock. You see, on this, a lot of people are saying it's crap because the steering lock's crap.
Okay.
But it's not that bad, is it?
No, that's enough. That.
all right.
Oh, let's have a look. Oh, you could maybe a little bit more. What's going on with the wheels? Why are they so big?
I don't know, that's how they come. Was that a Corona body?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Nice. Boom.
Boom.
Let's go.
So first I've got to learn how to drive it, and then we're going to give it to some professionals and see what they think and see if this is actually any good. Do you know what? It's quite easy to drive actually. I reckon a professional should have a go.
Give it to Harris then. I'm not a professional.
Oh, is Harris the professional? Harris the professional.
Saying clean.
Yes, a fella.
Are you saying yes, a fella? Do this one.
We'll see what a professional reckons. You drift real cars as well, don't you?
I do indeed, yeah.
And this man here does banger racing in real life. Yeah. Oh, and that's, we've seen it before on the channel.
Where's your reverse one?
Oh, I think reverse doesn't work.
Jesus.
What does the expert think? Oh.
I'm not saying it's great, put it that way.
Oh, really? I thought it was alright. I think the expert isn't too impressed.
Joe. Sorry. Not very good.
Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to plug in the phone app and then do a few adjustments and then maybe it'll be alright. Try a bit less of that, see what happens.
It can't be that bad. I'm coming over.
I thought it was really good, but I'm just an amateur, ain't I?
I mean, that's made a big difference. It is now better. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh yeah, forgot to tell you.
Oh, yeah?
That button there is handbrake.
What?
Handbrake button. So if you leave it full speed and just hit that.
That's cool.
He likes it now. So what I've found in my inexperience from RC drifting is that different surfaces need different setups. So the MST, for example, which we'll get out in a minute in this video, it went great at a UK drift cup that we went to. It's absolutely perfect, but on this carpet, it's not very good. So you need to change the setup. And to change the setup, you need to know what you're doing. However, with a Traxxas, apparently you can just change the setup easily on the fly from the phone app. So we can have a little play with that in a minute and see how well we can make this car go. I think you might like it now.
It's not bad.
Oh, Robbie's go. I got a smoke machine. What is going on here? This is Harris's professional drifter. Oh, you got a little quick release little body clips?
Yeah.
Harris did invite me to one of his real drift events, and I didn't get out of bed on time.
I did
last
indeed.
time.
He never turned up.
When's the next one?
That's it now, till next year.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's it now.
Oh. So is that MST? Is
No. Oh, hello.
that?
No! Fire alarm. Robbie!
What happened?
What happened? That's an Oto Yokomo. Advanced ESC. Drift deck. Motor.
Yeah.
Carbon chassis.
These shafts are looking pretty high tech. Isn't it? I reckon you can show us how it goes.
Have a go then, shall
Yeah,
we?
boy. The noise is ruining the footage, so cut, uncut. So Robbie has reset the fire alarm. We got the banger racer now controlling the Traxxas. What do you reckon?
It's alright, it's fair. Now we're treating the settings, it's actually not bad.
Ah, there you go.
Can you find out how much it is?
Yeah, have a look. Compare it to MST. $330. And what's the MST?
$399.
And is that the
brushless?
Ah, right. I've got a brushless one over there. In a minute, we'll get it out and compare. So we got this, and we got to pair that to that, and then we can change the setup. But
It's not doing much.
not sure how you're supposed to do it. I'm a technophobe.
DJ there.
Oh, is that your normal driving? Well done, boy. But this ain't working. We need someone good at computers.
Technicals.
Technical department. Scott. Yeah. Are you technical department? Can you make it work? All right, cut. Uncut. Boom. Scott sorted it, the expert. Oh no, we don't want to do updates. It's going to take hours. Oh man. Right, boom, I think we're nearly done. So here's some settings. We've got steering angle here. What else we got? Spin out assist.
Is that it?
So what does all this do?
Steering reflex. We'll soon find out, won't we?
Do you reckon you can do it on the fly? Steering reflex, we turn it all the way down, see what happens.
It just spins out.
So then if you put that onto full, this might be like gyro gain maybe. Oh no, it doesn't let you slide. Yeah. So we can just play with this percentage and get it perfect. Throttle reflex. So if you turn that all the way down, it's not cutting the power now, is it? So if we put this all the way up, that'll probably cut the power loads. That's on 100 now. That's cutting power on the corner now, automatic.
Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
If we turn this off, that means it's not going to cut the power. What do you reckon of it now? Good for ready to run?
Yeah, I think you can soon get the hang of it.
How good compared to the MST?
We're going to have to get your MST out and find out, aren't we?
We're going to let Harris practice a bit more. I'm going to go and get my MST and then we can compare. Interesting to see how it compares to the Traxxas. Expert Harris has got the MST Lambo and I'm driving this one. Oh, I'm useless. Kevy can't drive. Oh, I can't drive this one, man. Oh, and he's spun out again. Any professionals? Right, we've got 2 professionals now. They're actually professionals because they race actual cars. I'm going to do some GoProing. Got a brand new GoPro here, so no idea what the quality is going to be like. Let's give it a go. Don't forget you can win a brand new Traxxas Drift car, or you could win this one. The winner can choose. Link down below in the description box if you want to win one. He's done this before this drive, isn't he? Footage of footage. So Robbie was laughing at my cameraman skills. Just have a look at Rob's. Rob, you walking the dog? Yeah. So what do you reckon?
The Traxxas is probably better out the box.
I reckon the 2 professionals should swap.
Yeah, game on. No. Traxxas is a lot better out the box.
So what do you reckon? Traxxas better for beginner?
Yeah, 100%. Now it's had a bit of tweaking.
So for anybody who wants to know the settings, these are the settings that we are using. So out of the box, better than MST. MST better once you get into it. Yeah. But the handbrake, it's like a bit of a delay.
And there's no reverse. What's that all about?
And no reverse.
What's that all
about? That must be set upable in reverse. Oh, danger drift. Who can get it the closest without it falling off? Oh! How hard can it be?
Here we go.
You've got to make it, so there's an element of danger, so you've got to not catch it. You're Chris's turn. Someone a bit more responsible.
Yeah, right. Nice. Oh, TJ's on it. Oh, we got a pro.
You can tell he's a pro, can't you?
Oh!
Next professional.
I'm not a professional, but let's try.
You guys in the comments, you've got to say who's done the best. You can't do a video about a durability test.
Okay.
So can you, from there, make the track?
Ready?
Yep. Oh! Yeah, you done it though. So in the packet comes another set of wheels. Do you reckon they're different compound? How can you tell?
Don't know, bite them or something?
Same? All right, so if we get the MST, quickest way to get them on, because viewers are busy.
Yeah, yeah.
Bosh! Anyway, check that out.
That rumble, it won't turn.
Really?
Look.
It doesn't turn anyway.
Look. Watch the turn.
Can't be that bad. Give it here.
It just wants to go straight, doesn't it?
You made it worse. The MST doesn't like the bigger tyres. MST versus Traxxas, same tyres. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, Traxxas takes the win!
Who can do the best donut? Donut! Sumo, you got to knock the other one off. Ah! So I was going to let one of you guys win this one. You're probably not going to want it now. So if you do win, you can have a new one. So overall conclusion, and I think everybody at the club agreed, perfect first drift car. Once we messed about with the settings, it handled pretty much perfectly, really. And it's, I'd say, the easiest drift car that I've ever driven. It didn't really take too long to get the hang of it. Gonna have a look at it, see why reverse doesn't work. The handbrake button, bit of a gimmick really. That's the same thing as hitting the brakes really, but it seems to be a bit of a delay there. Don't forget, you can win a brand spanking new one of these. You're probably not going to want this one because it's been abused and there's bits falling out of it. So the winner can choose between this one, a brand new one, or there's also a cash alternative. So click on the link down below to find out how you can enter that. I am now going to put these evil, nasty looking tyres onto this lossy motorbike, then take it out on some different surfaces and see what happens. So make sure you subscribe and smash the bell so that you don't miss it. Do you want to win one of my RC cars? Click here. Click here to subscribe and become part of the crew. It's free. Or click here to see one of my other videos.